my name is Robert Byrd, and I'm from Dothan, Alabama, and I'm in Carrollton, Georgia, bringing my Q50 to have it modified. Well, you did all the things more than I thought I even wanted. Exhaust was done, a cooler, rims and tires, tuned it, everything we could think of, we did. Okay, here's what happened. I wanted an exhaust on it, and I have used different exhausts before on my other vehicles. So I got in contact with your crew here, talked to Sam, and Sam hooked me up. And so we talked several times on the phone, and I said, Sam, this is what I'd like to do. And he said, well, how about this, and how about that, and what will I do? And so during that process, we came to the modifications that we did. The tires are a big one, and the rims too. You know, Sam says, how about these? He sent me a picture of his rims, and I liked them, and so that's where we went for the rims and tires. Oh yeah, I just got back. It's sweet, outstanding difference. It's like night and day. Big difference. You could tell the difference, no question. From when I drove it in to I drove it out today, yeah, big difference. This is my daily driver. I go to home and work to home, and that's pretty much it. So this is my little fun drive every day. Makes going to work interesting, you know. But yet I can use it for taking my granddaughter to school. I can drop off at school and be a normal car, and then if I don't want to be a normal car, it's got different modes.